Less competition, better prices, steady income. Here's why small niches are your secret weapon. Okay, so point number 1, there's no big competition. And yeah, of course, this is the most obvious benefit. In small niches, the competition is much lower than in broad categories. There simply aren't that many people targeting these topics, which gives your designs a much better chance of getting noticed. You won't be up against big bestseller listings with thousands of reviews. So it's much easier for new designs to gain visibility. This means you don't have to fight hard for a top spot. Even a fresh design can show up on page 1 if it's relevant. For beginners or low-tier accounts, this is a major advantage, since you can start building traction without a huge catalog or ad spend. Point number 2, there are still chances to get new designs ranked. Yeah, well, in smaller niches you don't have to spend weeks perfecting keywords or descriptions. Even a basic level of optimization is enough to get designs seen by buyers. You also get faster feedback whether a design is working, since your listings won't be buried on page 47. Testing new ideas becomes easier and less risky, since you don't have to fight for every click. Unlike broad niches where bestsellers dominate the first pages, small niches don't have that bestseller wall, giving your designs a fair chance. Point number 3, you have lower ad costs. If you run ads, of course. So of course big niches mean a lot of competition, and that means you have to spend a lot on ads to stand out. In small niches, on the other hand, you don't have to spend that much on ads to buy yourself a good ranking in the search results, because there's just not that big of a competition. So if you use ads, small niches offer a great advantage. The cost per click is often much lower. That's because there's less competition for the keywords that you are targeting, so Amazon just doesn't charge as much. This allows you to run ads with a smaller budget and still get good visibility. You don't end up in bidding wars with dozens of other sellers, which keeps your cost predictable. Small niches are also ideal for beginners to test ads, since even small campaigns can bring you good results without burning through your entire budget. Point number 4, you can price higher. In small niches, there's far less pressure to compete on price. Buyers aren't comparing your products to nearly 20 identical designs, so you don't have that race to the bottom. People in small niches are oftentimes happy to pay more for a design that feels personal or relevant to them. If your design speaks to their identity or passion, the price becomes less of a concern, and this allows you to charge higher prices and earn more per sale, without scaring away these buyers. So fewer sales can still result in solid earnings thanks to better margins. Point number 5, you get more loyal and passionate audiences. And that's because people in small niches are usually deeply connected in their interest or their passion. These mostly aren't casual shoppers. Well, they're basically super fans who love to show what they care about. They're often proud to wear or use products related to their profession, hobby, or identity. If they find a design that really speaks to them, they may even buy multiple products or come back for more. They also appreciate when a design gets them. That means when it feels like it was made from someone who really understands the niche and not just a random seller. Point number 6, it will give you a steady income. While you probably won't create a new huge bestseller in a small niche, that's not really the goal here. Well, instead your designs will sell slowly but steadily over time. Even if a design brings only a few sales per month, those numbers will add up, especially across a wider portfolio. This creates a more stable and predictable income stream, which is basically ideal if you're building a long-term business. So you're not depending on a single trending design or viral success. Spreading your designs across many small niches makes your business more resilient and less seasonal. Point number 7, there's a lower chance of discounts. Amazon often puts high volume designs on discounts to drive more sales. But in small niches, your designs are less likely to be affected by this system. Since they don't sell in huge quantities, they usually stay at full price. This means you keep more of your royalties per sale and avoid losing margins due to automatic markdowns. It also helps you maintain your pricing strategy and keeps your product's perceived value intact. So there's just a low chance that your products will be discounted by Amazon, and that means more royalties for you. Now here's my bonus tip number 8. Use insider knowledge for your phrases. When you're working in small niches, specific language matters a lot. The more detailed and the more accurate your phrases are, the more they will resonate with true fans of that niche. People just notice when the design uses the right terms and phrases. It shows you understand the topic. Generic surface level phrases might get overlooked, but something very niche specific will stand out. Using insider terms not only increases trust, but also reduces competition, since most sellers just won't go that deep. You can research in forums, subreddits, or use tools like ChatGPT to uncover these hidden gems. Now if you want to start creating your next viral t-shirt without any design skills, then check out this video right here.